This 2022 Entegra Coach Ethos Li 20 teraliters is a Class B RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2022 Entegra Coach Ethos Li 20 teraliters is built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 window van chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.